To me, my YouTube numbers have never been the greatest. I will sometimes look at someone who's been on YouTube for a lot less time than Passport Kings has, but racked up viewers and subscribers a whole lot quicker than I did. But I can say that recently, using Tubebuddy to plan titles and rank keywords has put me on a fast track with views and subscribers. And perhaps it can do the same for your video. So here's how to use Tubebuddy to get more views and more subscribers for your channel. My YouTube analytics tells me that this is most of your first time ever seeing a Passport Kings video. I get about 20% of all of my views on YouTube from the 20% of people who like Passport Kings and that one person who doesn't. I really appreciate and support your loyalty, but the lion's share of my views are coming from people who are seeing me for the very first time. First, you're going to need to install Tubebuddy to your browser. There is a free version with almost all of the tools you need to rank high in YouTube searches already unlocked. There's also a paid version, but we will not be using any of the locked features. So install Tubebuddy. So click on the Tubebuddy link in the description or the one that I'm putting above. You will go to a Google extensions page and it will install into your browser. I use Chrome. If you use another browser, it will look a little different. But now when you go back to any YouTube page on that browser, you're going to notice that a few things are different. On the top right side of the YouTube pages, you will see a Tubebuddy extension, and in that drop down is where the magic happens. One of Tubebuddy's menu items is called Keyword Explorer. Once you use the Keyword Explorer to come up with keywords for your videos, those keywords should become your holy Bible to reference during the entire creation process of your video. Keyword Explorer is the ultimate keyword research tool for YouTube and Google Trends. So what you will need to do in the Keyword Planner is type in naked terms like the Bahamas. Find all of the words that people are actually searching for referencing the Bahamas and use one of those as the title of your video. That can always be changed later, but it's a great start. And yes, this is the first step before writing, recording B-roll, or anything else. These keywords will give you the blueprint for what you're making. So as you guys can see, when I typed in Carnival Cruise Bahamas, I got very poor feedback from the keyword research tool. So that would tell me that I need to do a new search. So next I tried Bahamas all-inclusive, which I figured that a lot of people would probably be looking for because they are looking for an all-inclusive resort in the Bahamas. Now that also gave me a poor rating, and as you can see in the score analysis, there are different reasons why this gave me a poor rating, but I believe the main reason is because so many other people have already made videos about this. And it's always cool to compete with the people who made the most popular videos about it, but it's always going to be a challenge. Now what worked for me was Bahamas hotels, which I really didn't expect, and this one gave me an excellent keyword overall score, and I'm pretty amazed. I was just using this for an example, but I know that I definitely will be using Bahamas hotels as the title to one of my future videos because this is a very good result. That is one of the ways the Keyword Explorer could really help you out when you're in the video making process. But it is what people are searching for, and that's what we're going to focus our video on. Your next step would be to understand placement and how your video will compete against other videos on the same subject. Those aspects and creating the perfect thumbnail will be discussed in a separate video. But when you start uploading your finished video to YouTube, your title will already be written, your description will pretty much be finished, you will be suggested small and long form keywords, and the add-on will have you picking keywords from an easy-to-use list instead of spending another hour doing keyword research. The most important part of you making YouTube videos that will actually get views is pretty much all done for you using Tubebuddy. And when you finish uploading, YouTube will start suggesting your videos to people who have been searching for these keywords and can never find them. Now, this is a brief overview of how I do this process, and it will be explained a lot more in detail in the Travel Light course. But I suggest you get Tubebuddy right now by clicking one of the links or in the browser searching for tubebuddy.com.